Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is 1 o'clock in the afternoon. That made no sense whatsoever, but my name is Joseph, and welcome back to the channel Sutansuzoku. What I'm going to be doing today is telling you guys that we've decided to start a new project, and this is working on Ricky's IS300. Now, if you guys saw in the previous video, the car was pretty much just like hemorrhaging oil all over my garage floor when we did the bag install. I'll show you that clip right now.
Fender liner,
you know what?
It's gone, but he can't even take care of the engine and it's freaking leaking oil all
Oh
the
my
time.
goodness, look at that. Oh, that's major, bro.
I don't even know how to fix that.
We gotta just fix your all the gaskets and leaks and stuff. Oh my god.
No, it looks like the zoo's toilet. That legit looks like the zoo's toilet.
What's going on in here, man?
And that's very farm toilet. Well,
Can you give me the light? Let me see. Oh.
walkie slush.
Oh. All right.
But it was bad. Like, the car it needs help. It's leaking oil from everywhere. So I talked to Ricky, and we just decided, like, okay, if we're gonna do this complete teardown of the engine, we're gonna do it once, and we're gonna do it right. So once we tear into the engine, I made a realize that we're gonna find a bunch of stuff that needs replacement while we're tearing into the engine. So what we've decided to do is find anything with oil leaks. So oil pan, head gasket. Oh, we've already decided we're gonna do the head gasket replacement. So we're gonna pull the cylinder head off, take it to the machine shop, do valve cover, water pump, thermostat, cooling system, power steering system, oil pan, camshaft seals, oil pump seals, front main seals, everything, the whole deal is going to be done. So sit back, relax, grab some drinks, and enjoy. Alright, what's happening, guys? Another weekend here at the Papa House. We've got the IS300 on all fours, monster truck height, and our goal is to tear the whole thing apart and fix all the oil leaks. That's what we're doing right now. Already got the valve plastic covers off, air intake box, pipe, strut brace, all the tools right here, and we are washing out all of the oil leakage. You can see our timing belt here. It's like something's chewing at it. It's fraying. Needs to be replaced. We're gonna do all that too. So yeah, I'm just ripping off the intake plenum, I guess, and the intake throttle body, tearing everything apart, and our goal is to replace all the leaks in this engine, or replace all the gaskets, I mean, and fix the leaks. Have that gasket kit right here. Got a head gasket, oil pan gasket, rear main seal, valve cover gaskets, intake exhaust. Is that it? I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, I mean, we got a whole lot of gaskets to replace, so let's do it. So now we got the intake assembly out. We're gonna take apart or disconnect the wiring harness and move it out of the way. Alright, John.
Oh my. That's a full ass furball.
This is so nasty. Okay, there are the bolts so we can remove the tension.
Are
right
you gonna
now.
get a new shroud for her too?
No, that's supposed to be like that.
Really? Why is
Yeah,
it
it looks weird, huh?
I know.
Yeah. Removed everything. Okay, it looks like a bad surgery just happened.
Oh dear.
And that is major. Oh, it's like poop.
Rat above the spark plugs.
Oh, nasty, man. Alright, guys, this is a second weekend of working on this car, and we've made a lot of progress so far. Yeah, so this is a huge mess. You can see hella grime. It's road dirt and oil. There was a bunch of rat here earlier, but we got that out thanks to the help of a vacuum. And yeah, look at that stuff. That's nasty, man. So right now we're just in cleaning mode. I already have water pump off, and that's the water pump assembly, valve covers, face plate, backing plate for the cam gears. I already took the cam gears VVTi cam gear off and the regular cam pulley. So the last thing, and I already have everything else off as well, the last thing we have to do is remove the cams. Everything's already at top dead center. You can see those indicators are at the top. Yep. Remove the cam caps, remove the cams, and take the head off. Actually I need to do spark plugs, yeah, so we're making big progress. I'm gonna do the head gasket. I'm gonna take this to the machine shop, and I'm also taking apart the black Civic over there. I'm gonna take that head off, have the head also resurfaced at the machine shop. So yeah, just wanted to give you guys a quick update. Cleaning time. Alright, so I just washed down the engine, motor engine, yeah. This thing's looking a lot better already. Let's take this head off. Crap out of me, man. Oh no. In a brand new Maserati, that's a whole lot of new money. Session and hiding from the world. Moving them squads and them bills. Surfing the rods a year. Man. That's a whole lot of new money. Session and hiding from the world. Moving them squads and them bills. Surfing the rods a year. Oh. Oh. Ah, I'm gonna fall over. Look at the rat. I hope you guys can see it. I can't see the screen. I'm gonna use our breaker bar. So remove the head bolts in order. Oh, it's stuck on my shirt. Ooh. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Alright. Alright. Don't fall, okay? Don't fall. Huh. Oh, f***. I landed in that coolant bucket. Now my shoes are all... Oh, I made a mess and now my foot's covered in coolant. Damn it. Bad mistake. Alright, whatever. Let's just get this head on the bucket. Ooh. Okay, so my plan was to leave the bucket there so I could put the head on top of it, but I ended up jumping in it. So now my foot is just soaked nasty. Anyways, this is the real deal right here. Rat poop? Rat poop? Where is it? Oh, there it is. Yep, top dead center. Head is off, and I can't really tell where the oil or where the head gasket was leaking. Probably something I should know. Anyways, we got a new, this is a single layered metal gasket. So yeah. Alright, so the next move is to take the head to the machine shop. Yeah, they're gonna clean it good, I know they will, but man, let's take a good look at it right now, and then when it comes back. Yeah, so this is the oil pump face. We can take it off once we remove the oil pan. However, there is a lower oil pan, which is right here, and the upper oil pan, which is right here. We got to remove both of those, but in order to do that, we got to jack up the motor off of the motor mounts, but there's nowhere to do that because I can't put my engine holder and lift the motor because there's nothing to hold on to. Well, once we get back from the head shop, I'll reinstall the head, do all the seals, and then we can start working on the bottom end of the motor because we can hoist the engine up. So. Now we have everything labeled, and I can safely store this away until it's time to reinstall the head that's been resurfaced. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I think I'm gonna end today's video here, or well, I'm gonna continue the video in another clip, but we're gonna pick right up where we left off and take